Welcome to Bullets, Pickler Wealth Advisor's monthly market update, where each month I break down the major economic and political activities happening in our world. No frills, no jargon, just the facts. Did you know? September 17th is National Voter Registration Day. This special day is dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of registering to vote. Your voice matters, and voting is one of the most powerful ways to make a difference in your community and beyond. Make sure you're registered and ready to cast your ballot. Looking back at the dog days of August, volatility and turmoil, it began with really the first day of August when we had a very, very weak jobs report that really established a lot of concerns about an economy that could be weakening. In fact, would we be seeing a market that's moving towards a recession? Would it be a hard landing? Would it be a soft landing? Time will tell, but that level of market uncertainty led to a major market downturn that really was accelerated on the first couple of days of the month when a move by the Bank of Japan that raised interest rates in Japan created a global margin call that squeezed liquidity across the planet, causing many investors to have to sell stocks, and that was a major factor in a massive market downturn. And the second major issue in August was what happened with the Democratic Convention. We certainly saw in the month of July that bloodless political coup when Joe Biden was replaced by Kamala Harris. What's going to be happening with this Democratic election? We certainly saw a honeymoon period for Kamala as we move forward the month of July, and a convention that truly was a Democratic love fest. The month ended at the Jackson Hole Economic Summit, where Fed Chairman Jay Powell announced that the Fed was now ready to pivot, to move towards beginning to cut interest rates in the month of September and actually begin to change focus, moving away from an inflation-fighting stance to moving towards protecting the labor market. Moving forward to September. Now that we passed Labor Day, the markets begin to pay much more attention to what's going on politically. We've now been through a Republican love fest, a Democratic love fest. The honeymoon period for Kamala Harris will be rapidly coming to a close, but the election appears to be getting tighter and tighter. This could lead to much more market uncertainty and volatility. September 18th will bring us our Fed decision. Will the Fed cut interest rates 25 basis points or, as the market expects, 50 basis points? If the Fed only cuts 25, it could lead to a market disappointment and possibly a significant market downturn. And then, of course, we take a look historically at the month of September. If you take a look back over the past 30 years or the past 5 years, the month of September has been a downer. It's been the worst performing month of the year. And so with a month we're already looking at, election uncertainty, we're looking at Fed uncertainty, then this could be a month of great volatility. As you know, one of my favorite parts of our Bullets episode is our presidential quote. Well, this month we go to President Harry S. Truman, who once said, "The most valuable real estate in the country is the voting booth." Thanks again for joining us for this month's edition of Bullets. Remember, at Pickler Wealth Advisors, it's our family delivering solutions for your family. This is our purpose. Together we plan. Until next month, this is David Pickler, and these are our Market Bullets.